hi friends. So as you can see, it's nighttime. So I've been at this all day. We're officially in Unit 8. Yay, we're getting there. So this unit in particular might be a little bit more difficult just because it really is asking you to recall everything that you have been taught this school year. Okay, and it's asking you to apply everything you have been taught to solve multi-step equations. Okay, so this is something that's going to take a lot of practice. Practice, 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 practice. The more problems you do, the more efficient you will become at solving these type of problems. All the rules, you got to remember all the rules are in play when you're solving a multi-step equation. So we're talking about when you combine like terms, when you distribute, when you multiply two negatives and it becomes positive. Everything you've previously been taught applies when you're trying to solve a multi-step equation. Okay, so we're going to try to walk through some different types of multi-step equations, but again, there's so many different types of multi-step equations. There's no way we can possibly run through all of them. It's up to you to practice and solve all these different types of equations so that when it comes to a test and you have a multi-step equation in front of you, you know what to do, okay? So when you're given one like this, it's asking you to recall the skill of combining like terms and simplifying before solving. So it's going to ask you, it wants you to think like, okay, you're supposed to combine the like terms, and after you combine those like terms, then it will turn into a two-step equation, which we know a two-step equation, we always get rid of our constant and then we isolate our variable, okay? So let's combine our like terms first. So we have negative 3g and plus 2g gives me a negative g plus 6 equals 15. Now you're down to a two-step equation. Two-step equation, you always get rid of your constant, then you isolate your variable. So my constant is the 6. To get rid of the positive 6, I need to subtract a 6. I need to subtract a 6. This will give me a 9. These cancel out. So it says negative g equals 9. Okay, to get rid of that negative, I got to divide by negative 1. I got to divide by negative 1. So it's saying g equals negative 9. Okay. All right, let's try another one. So again, you see something like this right away, it should be shooting off, hey, I got like terms, they should be combined. So the first thing you're going to do is combine your like terms. 5n and 4n. 5 plus 4 is 9n plus 3 equals 30. Okay, now you got to get rid of your constant. So I'm going to, the opposite of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 3. That cancels out. This gives me 27 equals 9n. Now I need to isolate my variable. To isolate my variable, I got to get rid of that 9. The inverse of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by 9, divide by 9, n equals 3. Okay. Please remember when you take this exam, especially, to box in your answer, because as you can see, you're going to do multiple steps, and it'll be easier if I see your answer boxed in. If you take the online version, it automatically has a box for you to put in your final answer, so I don't have to worry about that. All right, so why don't you try a couple examples, and if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. All right, see you later. Bye now.